Okay, so if you have upgraded or installed Next.js 16 and have run into a problem like this, where it's basically saying that with a parallel route, you're missing the default.js file. Okay, so this is like a new thing they've added in 16. You don't face this in 14 or 15, but in 16 they've changed this a little bit. So when you're using parallel routes, okay, and I've already made a separate tutorial on parallel routes just in case you're wondering what that basically means. It basically means a route like this that has an @ symbol that is inside a route, okay, and then in your layout file you're basically getting those routes the same name, and then you're using something to display one or the other. Okay, so in my project here I'm using Cleric, so whether I'm logged in as an admin or something else, I will get the admin dashboard, or if I'm something else, then I'm getting the user dashboard. Okay, so that's how that basically works. So to solve this problem, it's very simple. Just go into both of these routes, the parallel routes, and just put in a file called default.js or tsx. Okay, and inside of this just put in this. Okay, so when you write this, make sure the D is capital because it'll give a conflict error with this. Okay, so this is basically like if for some reason this page doesn't load, it'll basically just go to this and give you a not found 404. Okay, that's what we get with this function. Okay, so that's basically it, and you just need to copy this and paste this in this as well. Just save both of these, and as you can see, it's working. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.